boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Seth.
Hi.
And I have Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And I have Miss Rachel.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And today, boys and girls, we're going to be making Miss Cinda's baked beans.
Yum.
Who likes baked beans?
Me.
Oh, I love baked beans. Baked beans are wonderful to take on a picnic.
And they're healthy.
And they're very healthy for you, aren't they? And you know why I like to take them on a picnic? Because they taste good, but you can eat them at room temperature. So you can eat them hot, you can eat them just warm or at room temperature, or you can even eat them cold. And you know what? I don't know if any of you have ever tried this. I love, can you guess? How do I like to eat baked beans? In a sandwich. I like a little bit of margarine and baked beans. Do you want a baked bean sandwich? Okay, we're going to get started. You two are going to make a recipe, and you two are going to make a recipe, okay? Now, for the baked beans, I've got some vegetarian baked beans, so you can add this. Seth, you can add this to your bowl, and the lids just pop right off, okay?
Can I add it to my bowl?
Well,
Yes, Ben.
Miss Cinda, one time, well, there was inside Michigan, there was actually somebody dropped off some baked beans,
Uh-huh.
and
I don't want to get spilled.
Miss Sandy got you the baked beans, warmed it up, and she looked at the label,
Uh-huh.
and it said pork.
You know what? That's very good, Seth. We need to, boys and girls, I'm glad Seth said that because we need to make sure that our can says vegetarian on it because a lot of baked beans come with the pork in it. And so you do want to make sure that you read the label first. Very good, Seth. Okay, pour yours into the bowl.
Miss Cinda, mine says vegetarian.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, you know why I have this? Because you don't have to rinse the beans, but we like to drain them, okay? So we're gonna, we're gonna have to take turns, okay? So pour this in. Go ahead, dump it all in. Good job. And now let me show you, Cadence. Let me show you, kids. Look. It's draining. Look. So all that juice is going into my glass bowl, and now we'll dump that in there. Isn't that cool? Okay, now we'll let you guys do that. Take the lid off. Pour it in.
Oops.
Whoa! Now lift it up and you can pour it into here. You just lift this up and
Miss
shake a
Cinda,
little of the juice.
This one has juice from that.
Seth, could you put these cans in the trash for Miss Cinda, please? Thank you. Pour them all in. Good job. Okay, let's do some more. Seth, you want to pour one in? Okay, there you go. See all that liquid that's coming out, boys and girls? We didn't want those in our baked beans, do we?
No.
No.
Because it will be all juicy.
That's right. Okay, Cadence, you want to dump these into the big bowl? There you go. Put it in the bowl. Good job.
Miss Cinda,
Huh?
I also for Dean's can.
Oh.
Miss Cinda, could I try?
Yes, Ben. There you go. I'll hold this up since our bowl's getting a little full here. Did you get all the beans out?
Nope,
Make sure you
there's
get all
still
those
some
yummy
more.
beans out. Has anybody ever tasted a Great Northern bean?
No.
Do you want to taste one? you can taste one of your beans.
Miss
These
Cinda.
are Great Northern beans.
Miss
These
Cinda.
are pinto beans. You can taste one. Did you want to taste one, Rachel? This is the pinto bean. This is the Great Northern bean. What do you think? And that's what I...
Try.
Yes, would you like to try? Sure. Is it good? Oh, okay, now we have one more left. Has anybody ever tasted a dark red kidney bean by itself?
No.
Okay.
Miss Cinda,
Let me let you.
we have a dark red kidney bean too.
You do? Okay. Okay, Cadence. You want to pour this in? Good job. Now you can taste a dark red kidney bean. Rachel, you want to pour that in? And you guys can taste it. Which bean do you like the best?
The white one.
You like the white one best?
I
What's the white ones?
like
That's a red one.
I like these.
Oh, the red. You like the red
like-
one?
I like actually
Miss Cinda,
all the
You like all the beans?
Cinda, I like all the beans, but I
Go
would
ahead.
really prefer these.
Did you get your Great Northern beans? Or this is
Yep.
that you want to throw those away from me, Ben, please?
Sure.
There you go. Good job. Rachel, would you take this to the sink for me, please? Because we don't want to mess. We want to keep our work area clean, boys and girls. Thank you, Rachel. Yep, just set it right on top there. Good job. Okay, look at all these good beans. Which beans did you like best, Rachel? Do you like the pinto beans, the dark red kidney beans, or the Great Northern beans?
Those.
The Great Northern beans? Oh, okay. Here, Seth, could you throw that away for me? And this one, too. Okay, now, you guys, we're going to get our veggie hot dogs. We're going to get our veggie hot dogs.
Are we gonna cut them up?
And cut them into bite-sized pieces, okay? Everybody washed their hands, right? I should have asked that at the first, shouldn't have I, boys and girls? Anytime you're working with food, make sure that you wash your hands.
Tiny pieces. Yeah, like that.
I
wash my hands.
You did? Good girl.
I love hot dogs.
Oh, well, if you want to taste one, you can. Miss Cinda's got plenty of hot dogs there.
I love hot dogs. The boys and girls better make sure it's not beef hot dogs.
That's right. These are vegan hot dogs.
I love hot dogs.
You do? Can you cut them in? And you guys, when you cut them into pieces, put them in your baked beans, okay? Put them all in when you get them all cut. There. Ooh.
Miss Cinda, I'm gonna cut one, and then I'm gonna cut the next two. I'm gonna put these two together like this, and then I'm gonna go like this. Back, Cinda.
You have to cut it all the way through. Lay it down to cut it. Good
Miss Cinda, look what
job.
I'm doing.
Very good, Ben. Those are good pieces. Very good, Rachel. How are you doing, Seth?
Good.
How did the hot dogs taste?
Good.
Oh, you
I
love
tasted
those.
one too.
You did? Did you like it?
I ate one.
You did! Is it yummy? Is it good? Yes. When you cut them, you can put them in here. Are you putting them in here or are you putting them in here?
I put a few in here.
Oh.
Miss Cinda, well, our mom buys actually big franks.
Oh, she does?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I like
those
the
are
big
good too.
franks, Miss Cinda.
Okay, Ben, could you put in a half a cup of, let's do a third. Let's start with a third. A third cup of the packed brown sugar.
I'm eating the hot dog.
You have another hot dog in your mouth? They're supposed to go in the bowl. Did you not know that? Okay. You want me to measure yours? You need a third a cup. Boys and girls, I'm going to show you for packed packed brown
Miss Cinda,
sugar.
like this?
Yes, packed
pack
brown
it
sugar.
down, right?
You're gonna press really hard. See how I'm pressing really hard? And you know how you know that you have it pressed down really hard?
It's
Look,
packed in
because
there.
look, that's right. It comes like all molded out to the shape of your cup. That's packed brown sugar. Doesn't that look good? Okay, Ben.
Castle.
Okay, Rachel, could you put in a tablespoon of our vegan Worcestershire sauce?
Miss Cinda,
take the- yes?
I think we're making actually a castle. It's actually
You
packed-
think it's a casserole? It's baked beans, though, Seth.
Yeah, it looks like
We
a
are going to
castle.
bake them, and guess what? Miss Cinda has made some ahead of time so that you're going to get to taste them. And then we'll bake yours.
Yum! Are we gonna mix
You know what?
ours
I
up?
should probably, let me get a towel. I should probably get mine out of the oven because they're really hot and I want to let them cool. Look at this, guys. You're going to love these. Look at this. They're hot, hot, hot. Oh, what do I need when I get something
A
hot?
hot hand.
I need little pot holders, oven mitts, don't I? I'm gonna put these out here because I want them to cool just a little bit before I let you guys taste it. Okay, now Ben, you can dump in all of our ketchup, and Seth, when you're finished cutting your hot dog, you can dump all of your
Ready,
ketchup.
Miss Cinda?
Yes, you can put it all in.
That's your kitchen
Right on top of the
timer.
castle.
Oh, was that our kitchen timer?
Yeah.
We gotta hurry, we're almost out of time. Let's get all these mixed up. I'll put your tablespoon of vegan Worcestershire
Miss
sauce
Cinda,
in for you,
I
okay?
like baking in the kitchen.
You do.
Let's go.
You do too? It's fun, isn't it?
Do too.
Oh, I'm glad because I love having you guys in the kitchen. It's fun learning how to cook, isn't it? Okay, Seth, you want to add all the ketchup to yours and then you can stir this up.
Okay.
And you can stir all your baked beans up and we're going to put it in a casserole dish.
Stir up the
and
sugar.
I'm going to spray your casserole dish
Miss
with some
Cinda,
non-stick
I'm
baking
going
spray.
to do it with my spatula.
That's very good, Seth. I'm glad you did that because that way you can get it all out, can't you?
Miss Cinda, look, I'm using both spatulas.
Well, then you guys can pour your baked beans, get them all mixed up and pour them in here, okay? And you guys can do that too. So Seth, you guys can start stirring it up.
Ready to pour it in there?
Are you still eating hot dogs? Oh, you're supposed to put them in there. You're still eating your hot dogs. I know why you like
Now
to
let's
be in the
flatten it all
kitchen.
out.
We messed up your hat. There, how's that?
Miss Cinda,
Okay, stir it all up.
Miss Cinda, almost all the time at home, I help my mom.
That's the kitchen timer again. Now we're really out of time. Boys and girls, I hope you remember that anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.